In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can import data from a text file into your Postgres database. So you have a sample data set, a list of countries, and some modified date under ID. Now let's head over to pgAdmin. We're going to be importing the table into the test database. So the first thing that you want to do is ensure that you create a table to hold the data, and the columns must match with your text file. So let's execute a query to check if there's any data in that table. No data. So the next step is to expand tables. Right click on the table that you created, select import/export data. Ensure that you select the import tab and then browse for the file that you want to import. Select your file type, it's a text file. So I'm going to select all files and then select my text file. Select OK to continue. Ensure that your format that you selected is text and then select OK. Then select the options tab and select the delimiter. So in this case, it's a tab and then select OK. Now let's run the query. My import has been completed. Now let's execute the query against the table. And now I can see my data set. And that's basically it. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. For more training, you can check out my Udemy courses. The link is in the description of this video.